In this video, we'll show you how to customize the controls and hotkeys on your Instinct E Adventure watch. Controls allow you to quickly access many of the commonly used tools, including Battery Saver, Garmin Pay Wallet, and timers. To access the controls menu, press and hold the light control button. Here you can view all of the preset controls. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the options. To add a new control, press and hold the up menu button to open the menu. Select Add Controls. All the additional controls will be available to choose from. Press the GPS button to select a control. In this video, we'll be adding Sunrise Sunset. Once selected, continue to scroll over the available controls to add to the menu. When done, press the back button twice to return to the controls menu. The new controls will be added to the end of the list in a clockwise rotation. To open or enable the control, select it. When finished, press the back button to return to the controls menu. Additionally, we can change the controls list order or remove controls. To change the list order, press and hold the up menu button to open the settings. Scroll down and select Reorder Controls. Scroll until you locate the control that you would like to move. Press the GPS button to select it. The image will include up and down arrows. Press these buttons to move the control's placement in the list. Press the GPS button to confirm its new location. You can repeat this process to move around any of the controls in this menu. Once you are finished, press the back button to return to the menu. To remove a control, scroll down and select Remove Controls. Then, locate the control that you would like to remove. Press the GPS button to remove the control. Repeat this process to remove any other controls. To exit the menu, press the back button until you return to the watch face. Next, we will discuss hotkeys. Hotkeys allow you to quickly access settings or features that you use most by holding a certain button combination. To begin customizing your hotkeys, press and hold the up menu button. Scroll down and select System. Then scroll down and select Hotkeys. Here you will see the various button combinations available. A few of them are preset to quickly access the main features of the watch, such as ABC and set controls. For this video, we will select the GPS plus up hotkey, but the process will be the same for all other button combinations. Once selected, scroll through the available hotkey options. We will be selecting Stopwatch. Now you can continue to set up other buttons, or press the back button until you return to the watch face. To access the hotkey, simply hold on the button combination. To exit, press the back button. And that's it. Your Garmin Instinct E controls and hotkeys are now customized. To learn more about your watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.